MGF's Type 4 Laddersafe platforms can be provided in different configurations, enabling safe access and egress from excavations, utilizing MGF's entire range of steel trench sheets and interlocked sheet piles. All MGF steel trench boxes, manhole boxes, and drag boxes along with aluminium trench boxes. The system is provided in three main configurations: box systems, trench sheets, and sheet piles. Trench sheet and sheet pile configurations are provided with platform extensions to ensure the ladder doesn't clash with any bracing below. All Type 4 Laddersafe platforms are provided with telescopic ladder securing poles as standard. The pole can be installed on either side of the platform. To suit the job, simply remove the connecting pin and slide the pole out before reinstalling it on the other side using the provided pin and R-clip. If you see red paint on the pole, then it is overextended. Move it back in and line up the connecting holes before reinstalling the connecting pin and R-clip. Ensure the pole is fixed and cannot slide in or out. Prior to storing and transporting, it is recommended to fully compress the ladder securing pole. Type 4 Laddersafe can be supplied with a pair of ladder U-frames in lieu of the telescopic ladder pole. The U-frame slots into the horizontal sections on the Laddersafe frame, securing in place using pins and R-clips. There are different settings for the extension of the U-frame. If you see red paint, then the U-frame is overextended. When the Laddersafe is being used with U-frames, it is not possible for an operative to be connected to a fall arrest system while ascending or descending the ladder. Type 4 Laddersafe is provided with an integrated restraint bar, providing additional safety for operatives using the platform. They are simply lifted to allow operatives to access or exit the ladder. If the ladder securing pole is moved to the opposite side of the platform, then it's recommended to also swap over the restraint bar. Remove the connecting bolt and nut from the bottom of the restraint bar and install it on the other side of the platform. Swap over the receiving bracket by removing the connecting bolt and nut and reinstalling it in the vertical tube on the opposing side. When the Type 4 Laddersafe is being used on box systems or trench sheets, it is provided with a pair of back leveling jacks, which provides additional stability. Adjust the jacks by unlocking the tube clamp. The jack can then be adjusted before the clamp is locked. MGF Stairsafe and gangway ramps can connect to both faces of the Type 4 Laddersafe. Prior to installing the platform onto a suitable support, it's recommended to fully unscrew the clamping bolts and adjust support jacks so they don't clash with the ground during installation. Plan and mark where the Laddersafe is to be installed. The platform can now be lifted by attaching a 4-leg chain to the designated lifting point. Lift and carefully lower the platform in place over the support. Ensure no operatives are stood underneath the load or put in a position of danger, and throughout installation be aware of any trapping hazards. The bolts can be loosely hand-tightened before striking the handle with a hammer to ensure the clamp is tight. The base leveling jacks should be adjusted so they bear evenly on the ground. Visually inspect the installation and confirm it's stable prior to releasing the lifting chains and installing the ladder. If the Laddersafe is being installed on trench sheet or sheet piles, ensure the clamping bolts are installed on the flat pans, where possible. Ensure the ladder is installed at a safe angle of around 75 degrees. The ladder can be lashed to the ladder pole using rope, or by affixing a pair of MGF ladder securing clamps. Subject to a final inspection, the Laddersafe is now ready for use.